for a Colorado man reported missing several months ago has come to a tragic ending 500 miles away. The body of 41-year-old Jim Blender of Lakewood was found by hikers yesterday on a mountain trail near Flagstaff, Arizona. 9 News reporter Paul Johnson is following the story. Paul, Blender was reported missing in January.
Adele, according to his family, he literally walked out of his Lakewood apartment and then just disappeared. Jim Blender had suffered from mental illness for a number of years. He lived alone in Lakewood and had worked in a number of local restaurants. Family members have no explanation as to why he ended up in Flagstaff, Arizona. They know of no friends that he had there or any reason why he would have gone there.
I think I always knew because when he hadn't contacted anybody and we went into his apartment and everything was left on, his computer was left on, everything was normal. He left his Bibles, he left he left everything, his winter coat. He just didn't do that.
His family describes him as a very quiet man who kept to himself a lot, but also as a very genuine and religious man. They say in the past he had struggled with his health as doctors had changed the medication that he was taking. Jim Blender had served abroad with the U.S. Army, and of course in recent years, as I said earlier, he was supporting himself as a restaurant cook. Adele?
So do they know the cause of death yet?
So far, they have not definitively determined the cause of death, but officials with the Coconino County Sheriff's Office say there were no obvious signs of trauma on his body.
All right. Thanks a lot, Paul.
You're welcome.
State Treasurer Mike Kaufman says he wants to help in rebuilding efforts